Hey, Sean Burrows with B&T USA here at the 2024 SHOT Show. I have in my hands the Glock 19. If you've been following the channel for any amount of time, you know how much I talk about Glocks, how much Glocks excite me. And so, of course, I had to show you this. Yeah, I know you're wondering what's up. Stay with me. This is a collaboration with Glock. We've done the lowest possible slide cut physically possible on a Glock for the ACRO P2. So we're doing Glock 19s with this cut. It's an exciting collaboration, but that's actually not what this is. This is another Glock project new this year as well, which we're calling the Hush Puppy. You'll notice it's got a very small suppressor on it, and this isn't a normal Glock 19. It has a little switch behind the slide stop. So I can cycle the slide, shoot it, or pull this switch down. I can pull the trigger and the slide won't cycle. Going through this little 3-inch suppressor that utilizes wipes when shooting a subsonic ammo, you get movie quiet suppression, and you won't have to bend over and pick up that pesky fingerprint laden brass that was ejected onto the ground. You can just stick the gun back in your pocket and move on, which you would want to do when using something like this, right? Again, limited to quantities of 500, so check it out at your local dealer, and we'll see you in the next video.